Hello everybody, John Ward, Director of Emergency Management here in Clay County. We're coming to you from the Emergency Operations Center where Unified Command is established with the Florida Department of Health responding to COVID-19 here in Clay County. I wanted to reach out to you all. Today is day 18 where many county employees and first responders have been working the past 18 days, 16 hours plus a day in responding to the event here in Clay County. I would like to take this time to thank everybody in the Unified Incident Command. We've got great partnerships here in Clay County, and we've got a lot of partners and employees that have been working tirelessly to respond to this unprecedented event that is happening in front of us all across the nation and really across the world. I wanted to take this time also to speak to you all about what we've been hearing a lot of, social distancing. We want to change that. Let's say physical distancing. Social distancing, we can stay socially active, whether it be through MySpace, social media, Facebook, anything like that. It's the physical distancing that we've got to adhere to. We have got to stay away from those large groups. This is going to be a long-term event. We're looking at this potentially impacting our area 6 to 8 weeks. I hope I'm wrong when it comes to this, but we are planning now potentially 6 to 8 weeks this impacting our area. So this is why we wanted to take this time to reach out to you and talk parks. We are trying not to close our parks and our green spaces, but we have got to ask that there's no organized sports such as group sports at our parks. We're seeing a lot of this, and I would ask that this is where we adhere to no gatherings of 10 people or more. We want to keep our boat ramps and our green spaces open so we can get out of the house and take advantage of these beautiful settings that we have here. We've just got to ask that our groups adhere to this, not having these organized activities such as sports, football, that type thing at these. Remember, physical distancing. Stay away from someone. Keep that physical distance of 6 feet. Unless they're in your home, your immediate family that you live with, when you get out into the public, you want to keep that 6-foot distance away from people. You all are a first responder in this event. All our community is a first responder because what we're trying to do is stop the spread of this disease in our community. The numbers will grow. They will possibly grow significantly, but they're going to slow rapidly if we can keep this social distancing and physical distancing amongst everybody. The other thing we wanted to talk about is you can be a carrier and not be symptomatic, and that's why our concern with a lot of these groups of our younger generation or groups that are out there in these large gatherings on the water. You can be a carrier and spread it, and then it get back to someone in our vulnerable populations, and those are the ones that are going to be impacted the most in this. So we really want to ask you, remember the physical distancing. We don't want to close parks and we don't want to close our green spaces, but we're asking our residents to please adhere to these recommendations that we're putting out to our community. And the last thing I want to say is if any of our residents have any questions or concerns, our call center is open 7 days a week, 8 to 5. Please call us, 877-252-9362. Clay County, thank you.